Hello, my beautiful people. Hi, my positive vibers in the house. Sometimes it's not that you can't find shawarma outside. It's just that when you finally get home and unwrap it, the bread is fighting, like literally fighting for its life. Too hard, too thin, tearing halfway, etc. 1 minute you're excited, the next minute you are eating disappointment and vibes. I got tired, my people, like so tired. Tired of paying for stress, tired of biting into struggle, and that's when I said enough is enough. If the shawarma shops won't give me soft and perfect wraps, then by the grace of God and these two blessed hands, I am gonna make my own. The first time I tried it, let me just tell you guys, my wrap looked like Nigerian map, lumpy, hard, and confused. But guess what? I did not give up, because in this kitchen we believe in second chances and third and maybe fourth. Today, my wonderful people, I am showing you how to make soft, flexible, no tear shawarma wraps, the kind that will hug your feeling properly and make you feel so proud. Life is a lot like kneading dough. You start rough, all sticky and messy, but with a little patience, some pressure, and a lot of love, you become smooth, strong, and ready for greatness. I know it sounds deep for shawarma wraps, but tell me I am lying. See, the part of letting your dough rest, do not even skip it. It's like us too. Sometimes you're doing everything right, like literally everything. You're working hard, you are praying, you're always showing up, but life says, wait. Rest is not punishment, it's preparation. So when the dough is rising silently, it is gathering strength to shine later, just like you. Now, when it's time for you to roll the dough, do it gently, not too aggressive, because too much force can tear what is actually meant to stretch. Another life lesson right there. Handle your dreams gently but firmly. Stretch them but do not tear them. As you cook the wraps, you start smelling that light, almost sweet aroma. That's when you know greatness is near. Just like life, sometimes you don't see immediate results when you are putting in the work. But when the heat hits just right, your results start showing and smelling so good that even the neighbors will notice. This is why I love cooking. It reminds me that even with basic things, even on random days, we can still create something worth celebrating. So next time life feels messy, or you feel you are just flour and oil and stress, remember these wraps. Give yourself time, stretch gently, let the heat shape you, and trust that something beautiful is rising inside of you. If you look closely, this recipe wasn't just about food. No, it was about life itself. We started from scratch, just flour, water, and vegetable oil, just like life. You might start with very little, but if you're willing to knit through the hard times, stretch yourself in the right ways, and handle the heat without giving up, you will come out stronger, better, and ready to wrap your own dreams into reality. Honestly, if a simple dough can rise under pressure, why can't we? We are humans. Why should small stress fold you like akara? No. Positive vibers, we are not built to break easily. We rise, we roll, we wrap greatness. You see these wraps? Soft, flexible, golden, just like our destinies, shining, ready, and full of delicious possibilities. Maybe today you feel like you are under pressure. Maybe life is flipping you left and right. But remember the wraps. Remember this moment. Pressure is not always punishment. Sometimes it is preparation. You are being shaped into something better, something more beautiful than you ever realized. You are not broken. You are just rising. And just like this dough, your softness will become your strength. Your flexibility will become your superpower. So next time you make these wraps or bite into a juicy shawarma, let it remind you, you are enough. You are rising and you are ready. And no matter how life needs you, stretches you, or hits you up, you will not break. You will not tear. you will become more amazing, more flavorful, and more unstoppable. Thank you so much, Positive Vibers, for spending this beautiful time with me in the kitchen. If you learned a lesson today, not just for cooking but for life, then this recipe was a total success. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a little encouragement and a lot of shawarma love. And as always, stay beautiful, stay positive, and keep vibing. Until next time. If you have any question, as normal, you can as well ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to reply. Like, share, subscribe. Stay put and enjoy the rest of the video.